This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so I hope not many are online. They'll be coming. I request everyone to come online. I've already shared in the group. Anyway, we'll start with the topic. Actually, this topic, Hridroga, I didn't take yesterday because last hour, and obviously everyone was drowsy. Hardly people were present. So I'll be taking this topic today. Types of Hridroga. You have already studied regarding the Nidana. You have studied regarding the Samanya Lakshana, Samanya Pura Rupa, Samprapti. Today we'll be focusing on the types of Hridroga. So as explained, there are 5 types of Hridroga: Vataja Hridroga, Pittaja Hridroga, Kafaja Hridroga, Sannipataja Hridroga, Tridoshaja Hridroga, and Krimija Hridroga. Fine. So there are 5 types of Hridroga: Vataja, Pittaja, Kafaja, Sannipataja, and Krimija. I'll briefly tell you regarding the Samprapti of Hridroga. Actually, Hriday is seat for your Vata, your Pitta, as well as your Rasa. So Rasavahashrota's Moola is said to be Hriday. Your Adhisthana, if you see Pranavata, it is again included in Adhisthana of Pranavata. Sadhaka Pitta ka again Adhisthana is Hriday. Even Kapha Adhisthana is Hriday. Now since all Hriday is a major, it's a one among the 3 marmas, main marmas. So it is quite important organ as explained in the previous class, probably by the sir. So what exactly happens in Hridroga? See, Nidana Sevana, there is various Nidanas already explained. Due to the Nidana Sevana, all the doshas, especially Vata dosha, so Vata predominated, Tridosha Visheshan takes place. Once Vata predominantly dosha, again Vata here, it will be obviously Pranavayu. So Pranavata vitiation is more. Vitiated Vata along with Kapha and Pitta is going to cause 2 things here. 2 things happen. One is affects the Hriday, other one is causes the Agni Mandyata. Due to Agni Mandyata, there is again improper Rasadhatu formation. See, dosha vitiation is going to lead 2 things. One is it is going to affect the Hriday. Second is it is going to affect the Agni. When Agni is affected, improper formation of Rasadhatu takes place or Apakva Ahar Rasa is formed. When Ahar Rasa or Rasa is not properly formed, Rasa Adhisthana is Hriday. Again, indirectly there is vitiation of Rasa Dhatu in Hriday. So already your heart is affected due to Tridoshas. And secondly, it is improper Rasadhatu is again going to affect your Hriday. Due to this vitiation of Tridoshas, vitiation of Rasadhatu causes obstruction in the Hriday, leading to Hridroga, leading to pain. Fine. So this is the cause, this is the Samprapti of Hridroga. Fine. Next. So this is Samanya Samprapti. Now moving on to the types. As told, types is of 5 types: Vataja, Pittaja, Kafaja, Sannipataja, and Krimija. Vataja. Vataja, first I'll tell you the Nidanas. Nidan for Vataja Hridroga are obviously Vata vitiating Nidanas. Please note it down. Nidana are Shoka, Upavasa, Ati Vyayama, Shushka Rushka, Alpa Bhojana. Aharaja Karanas can be Shushka, Rushka, and Alpa Bhojana, and Upvasa or Anshana, and Vihara is Ati Vyayama, Vegadharana, and Mansika is Shoka, Krodha, etc. Fine. This is the Nidana for Vataja Hridroga. Next is the lakshanas of Vataja Hridroga. Now, what happens due to this Nidana Sevana, there is vitiation of the Vata, and the Vata, this vitiated Vata, goes and causes vitiation in the Hridaya, causing the Hridroga. So, symptoms are आम्यते मारुतजे हृदयं तद्युते तथा निर्मथ्यते दीर्यते च स्फोटयते पाट्यते च अपि ayamyate. See, obviously when there is vata predominance, main thing symptom will be pain. All type of ruk or ruja will be considered under vata hridroga. So typically type of pain, various type of pain is seen in vata hridroga. Ayamyate means stretching type of pain. Tadyute, tudyate, time of pricking type of pain. Nirmathyate, churning type of pain. Diryate, tearing type of pain. Sphotyate, bursting type of pain. So patyate, splitting type of pain. Indirectly, what it signifies is in Vataja Hridroga, the pain is so intense and it is so strong with a lot of strength, which is can be either of this kind, any of this kind can be the pain, but the intensity of pain is very severe. What how to differ from the other hridroga is by the pain is very much severe and with lot of intensity. Again, other acharya, this is given by Shishruta. Charak explains few more symptoms like Vepatu, that is palpitations, Dardara, that is cardiac murmur, you can consider a sound, cardiac sound, Murcha, fainting, Shunyata, numbness, and Vesthana, that is cramps. So in Vataja Hridroga, Shushruta explains only about the pain, and he says the pain is very severe and very intense. Whereas Charaka adds another symptoms along with the pain. Obviously, pain is the main symptom. Along with that, other symptoms are Vepatu, Vesthana, Dardara, Murcha, and Shunyata. Fine. These are the symptoms of Vataja Hridroga. I guess now many of you have arrived here. Still yet not everyone. Anyway, once everyone come, I'll repeat regarding the Samprapti once again because Samprapti is quite important. Okay, next type of Hridroga is Pittaja Hridroga. Pittaja Hridroga causes उष्ण आम्ल लवण क्षार कटु अजीर्ण क्रोध आतप सेवन. Again I'll tell you, आहारज में उष्ण आम्ल लवण क्षार कटु आहार सेवन अजीर्णावस्था, and विहारज में excessive आतप सेवन, and मानसिक is क्रोध. I'll repeat it again. Nidana for Pitta Hridroga is Ushna Amla Lavana Kshara Katu Ahar Sevana, obviously in excess, Ajirna Avastha, Krodha, and excessive causes of Pittaja Hridroga. Please note it down. Okay, so what happens due to all this Nidana? Hridayastha Pitta. Now, which Pitta? Obviously, the Sadhak Pitta, which I have already told, is seat of Hridaya is seat of Sadhak Pitta. So, the Pitta is going to vitiate, and this vitiated Pitta is going to cause Pittaja Hridroga. See, obviously, along with Pitta, other doshas are also same Samprapti is going to take place, but here main vitiation will be Pitta. So Pitta predominance, Pitta vitiation, Pitta Hridayastha Pitta vitiation takes place. Already one which is residing in Hridaya, that Pitta is further going to vitiate, causing the obstruction, causing the Hridroga. So this is Pittaja Hridroga, Karana and Samprapti. So see, moving on to the symptoms. So Pittaja Hridroga symptoms are Krishna, Daha, Chosha, Hridayaklama, Dhumaya, Murcha, Sweda, Shosho Mukhasya. Krishna, Osha, Daha, Chosha, Syuhu, Paitike, Hridyaklamaha, Dhumayan, Murcha, Cha, Sweda, Shosho Mukhasya, Cha. These are all taken from Shushrut Samhita. Okay, so what Sushruta says regarding the symptom? There is Trishna, there is Daha, all the Pitta symptoms which are seen in Pittaja Hridroga. Trishna, Daha is burning sensation, Chosha is sucking sensation. Hridaya, Klamaha, there is some or the other uncomfortable feeling in the chest region. Dhumayan, Dhumayan matlab smoky eructations. You feel as if smoke is coming out of your body or your mouth. Then murcha, this is syncope. Sweda, excessive sweating. Shosha mukhasya, dryness of the mouth. Other than that, according to Charaka, Brahma is one which is added. Tikta and Amla Udgara. And Tikta Asyata. According to Charak, has added three more symptoms. One is Tikta Asyata, that is bitter taste in the mouth. Tikta tatha Amla Udgara. Tikta or Amla Udgara, the burps or eructations are bitter in taste. And then Brahma, that is vertigo. Here we have said Murcha. Murcha is fainting. Brahma is vertigo. The person feels as if everything around him is moving around. Fine. So this is Pittaja Hridroga symptoms. Clear? Moving on to the Kaphaja Hridroga. Kaphaja Hridroga Karanas or okay, Kaphaja Hridroga. Kaphaja Hridroga Karana is Guru Snigdha Ahara Sevana, Acheshtha, Acheshtha, Achintanam, Atinitra. Again, Aharaja Karanas are Guru and Snigdha Ahara Sevana. Viharaja can Acheshtha. There is no movement. The person is not at all, is having a sedentary life. The person is not doing any kind of exercise, any kind of movements, nothing. And Ati Nidra, so only sleeping. A person who is lazy, that person. And Mansik will be Achintana, not at all thinking, not at all worried, so casual. So in this person, what happens? Kapha increases. This vitiated kapha causes obstruction leading to Hridroga. Now, symptoms. Symptoms of Kaphaja Hridroga is Gauravam, Kapha, Sansravo, Aruchi, Stambha, Agnim Ardavam, Madhuryam Api, Cha Asyasya, Balasa Avatate Vidhi. First one is Gauravam. There is heaviness. Heaviness, obviously, it is in the chest region. Kapha Sansrava and Aruchi. Aruchi, Stambhata. Stambhata matlab constriction or stiffness. There is stiffness in the chest region. Kapha Sansrava matlab excessive salivation. Kapha Sansrava obviously Lalasrava. Excessive salivation is what we can consider as Kapha Sansrava. Aruchi, everyone knows, anorexia. Agni Mandita, that is decreased your Jatragni. Mukhamadurya, sweet taste in the mouth. In case of Pittaja Hridroga, it is Tiktasyata, so bitter taste in the mouth. In case of Kaphaja Hridroga, it is Mukhamadurya, sweet taste in the mouth. Fine. Other than that, other symptoms which have been mentioned are Stuptata. This is not mentioned here. Suptata is numbness, Tandra. Then Jwara, Kasa, stimitata. Feeling stimitata, see, this is a very important symptom. Stimitata, what Charaka says, the person feels as if a wet cloth is kept over, or it is kept over his chest region or around the body. This is the main symptom. And differentiating symptom, stimitata, that is the feeling of the wet cloth being wrapped around the chest or being wrapped around the body. This is what happens in Kaphaja Hridroga. And even there is lot of heaviness, and as the Gauravam I'm telling you, there is a Gauravam in the chest region. Two things, there is feeling of wet cloth kept around. Second is there is heaviness around over the chest region. So these two things are mainly seen in Kaphaja Hridroga. So these are the symptoms of Kaphaja Hridroga. Fine. Moving on to the next, Krimija Hridroga. Krimija Hridroga. Okay, Tridoshaja Hridroga. So Tridoshaja Hridroga, obviously all the symptoms or either of the symptoms of Vata Pittaja Kaphaja Hridroga are seen in Tridoshaja Hridroga or Sannipataja Hridroga. Next is Krimija Hridroga. So in case of Krimija Hridroga, so causes of Krimija Hridroga is intake of apavitra, apakva, like for example, til, gudha, kshira, atisevana, puti ahara. See, one which is not good, one which is not properly cooked, one which is mixed with all impurities, like apavitra. Apavitra can be mixed with some or the other dirty things. Puti, one which is already putrefied, or one which is already uh, it has become foul. So the 1, 2, 3 days old food which is already smelling foul, if one consumes that kind of food, then ajirna, if a person is suffering from ajirna condition, then a food which is excess of tila, which is excess of good, and kshira or kshirike, all impurities. If a person indulges in intake of such kind of food, what happens? All this is going to produce a granthi in the heart. And this granthi, now due to the, what do you call it? See, two things happen due to this kind of nidana. There is a granthi formation in the heart, and secondly, there is klinnata. Klinnata is seen in the rakta, kapha, and mams dhatus. Now, this together, granthi and klinnata in rakta, mamsa, and kapha dhatus, kapha, what happens? The granthi, again, there is klinnata, kledatva in the that in the hriday is increased, due to which there is formation of krimis. I'll repeat again. Due to nidana sevana, there is granthi utpatti within the heart. So there is, in hriday there is formation of granthi. So from this granthi, again, if still after formation of granthi there is nidana sevana, then there is klinnata. This nidana is going to cause klinnata in rasa, rakta, and mams dhatus, which are obviously present in your hriday. So there is klinnata or kledatva in the granthi now. This granthi will start secreting, or it secretes its own rasa dhatu. So that rasa will be with lot of kleda yukt, and that is what is going to cause production or formation of krimis in the granthi due to the klinnata, or the rasa which is exudated, or which is secreted by the granthi, is of kleda yukt. A lot of kleda is present in that rasa, which is secreted by that granthi, which is formed due to nidana sevana. And this secreted kleda yukta rasa is what is going to give culture media, or it will cause production of the krimi, or will result in formation of krimi, causing krimija hridroga. And these krimis are going to, obviously these are going to eat up the heart and result in the krimija hridroga. Even modern, there are conditions wherein krimis or wherein insects, wherein worms are found in the heart. If not, very common condition in pediatrics is the fungal ball, which is seen in all marshy places like us. Even in Belgaum, commonly kids, pediatric or newborn babies are prone for this fungal ball formation in the heart. You can go search on the Google fungal ball within the heart. You will get a lot of pictures. So that can be correlated with krimija hridroga for now. If not, there are other conditions. Okay, so moving on to the, I guess Nidan is finished, Samprapti is finished. The symptoms of krimija hridroga. So krimija hridroga symptoms are Utklesha, Stevana, Toda, Shula, Rilasa, Tama, Aruchi, Shava, Netratva, and Shosha. So Utklesha is nausea, Stevana, vomiting, Toda, pain, Shula, gain, a pain, Rilasa, again you can be considered with nausea, Tama, feeling of entering a darkness, Tama Praveshi kind of, Aruchi, anorexia, Shava Netratva, blackish discoloration around the eyes, and Shosha. I guess you have understood krimija hridroga samprapti. If not, I'll give you a flow. I'll tell you the flow chart. So I'll just give you the flow chart. You can write it down because krimija hridroga is usually asked for 5 marks also. I'll write it. Tridoshaja hridroga, a person is already having hridroga. If that person indulges in nidana sevana, in bracket, tila, guda, kshiradi, ajirna, apavitra, puti ahara sevana, then that is going to produce granthi in Hridaya Pradesha. Granthi formation in Hridaya Pradesha. Granthi, in the Granthi, there is Rasadi Kledutpatti. There is Rasadi Kledutpatti. There is Granthi, there is Shrava from the Granthi. The Shrava is nothing but Rasa, which is Kledayut. I repeat again, there is Shrava from the Granthi. The Shrava is nothing but Rasa, and which is with lot of Kleda. Then Kleda, due to the Kledata, there is Krimi Utpatti. Then from the Krimi, there is Hridayaka, damage to the Hridaya, resulting in the Krimija hridroga. I'll repeat again, in Tridoshaja person or a person who involves or is already having Tridoshaja hridroga, or if not, a person involves in intake of tila, guda, kshiradi, atisevana, ajirnahara, apavitrahara, putiyahara. In that person, there is granthi for next granthi formation in the hridaya. Next, after that, from the granthi, there is rasadi kledutpatti. That is from granthi. There is a shrava. This shrava is rasa kledayukta rasa shrava. Due to the kledata in the granthi, there is krimi utpatti, and and these krimis is going to cause krimija hridroga. This is the samprapti of krimija hridroga. Fine. Next, then there is symptoms. Symptoms of krimija hridroga is utklesha, stevanam, todaha, shulo, hillasaka, tamaha, aruchi, shavanetratva, shoshascha krimije bhavet. These are the symptoms of krimija hridroga. Utklesha, stevana, toda, shula, hillasa, tama, aruchi, shavanetrata, and shosha. Shosha is consumption, or shosha is dryness, or shrinking. There is shrinking. Okay, shrunken ice, or emaciation. You can think here in Krimi Hridroga. Fine. This is the causes, samprapti, and symptoms of Krimi Hridroga. Next is upadrava. Upadrava of Hridroga are klama, sado, brahmaha, shosho geyasya tesham, upadravaha. This is from Madhav Nidana, 29 chapter, 7th shlok. Madhav Nidan, 29 chapter, 7th shlok. Shlok is klamaha, sado, brahmaha, shosho geyasya tesham upadravaha. So there are only 4 upadrava of Hridroga. One is klama, next is sada, shosha, and brahma. Klama is obviously malaise, or klama is feeling of tiredness or exhausted feeling. Then is sada. Sada here should be taken as angasada. Angasada is pain and looseness in the body. Next is shosha. Shosha is again dryness, weight loss, emaciation. All this can be considered for shosha. Brahma is vertigo, as I've told already. So these are the upadrava. There are only 4 upadravas of Hridroga, which are klama, sada, shosha, and brahma. Fine. These are the upadrava. Next, last one, I guess sir has told you about the asadhya sadhyata. Still, I'll be repeating it. So, sadhyata, sadhya Hridroga are vataja, pittaja, kaphaja. So, one doshaja Hridroga are sadhya Hridroga. Sannipataja and Krimija Hridroga are yapya, are difficult to treat. And asadhya is one, the Hridroga which is caused in an emaciated person will be considered as asadhya, and Hridroga which is associated with all the upadravas. Any Hridroga with all the mentioned 4 upadravas, that will be considered as asadhya. A Hridroga in a person in whom Arisht Lakshana are already seen. Arisht Lakshana for Hridroga is Staimitya, Ayataksha, Tivra Urograha. See, Arisht Lakshana for Hridroga are Staimitya, Ayataksha, and Tivra Urograha. Staimitya is cold skin. Ayataksha is dilated pupils, and Tivra Urograha is severe or tearing pain in the retrosternal region. As soon as this you can consider as MI, or you can consider this as unstable angina. Unstable angina, I have explained you yesterday. So that was now due to facilities, availability of facilities and all, it can be treated. But in case of in such a patient who is having this kind of symptoms, if that person is not taken to hospital or not intervened, then obviously that patient is going to die. Similarly, what these same symptoms are considered as Arisht Lakshana for Hridroga, and if a person is having this Arisht Lakshana, that kind of Hridroga is considered as asadhya. So sadhya Hridroga are vataja, pittaja, kaphaja Hridroga are sadhya. Sannipataja and Krimija are kashta sadhya or yapya. Hridroga which occurs or which affects, which is seen in a emaciated person is asadhya. Secondly, Hridroga with all the upadravas is asadhya, and Hridroga with Arisht Lakshana is asadhya. Now Arisht Lakshana are Staimitya, Ayataksha, and Tivra Urograha. So these are 3 Arisht Lakshanas. Important, please remember it. This will be asked. These are usually asked for MCQs and all. Fine. So these are sadhya sadhyata of Hridroga. So I'll again just revise, because most of you were not present during the early 5-10 minutes. During that time, I have told regarding the samprapti of Hridroga. which can be correlated with present condition. So samprapti of hridroga is Nidan Sevana, Samanya Samprapti. We are just revising now. I am revising what I have taught you in last 25-30 minutes. Samanya Samprapti of Hridroga is Nidan Sevana. Due to Nidana Sevana, there is two things which is happening. One is Visheshana of Tridosha, especially dominant, and Agnimandya. This vitiated Tridoshas, individual dosha vitiation also takes place in Hridaya. And secondly, there is Agnimandyata. Due to Agnimandyata, there is Samarasa Nirmana. Samarasa Nirmana. This Samarasa Nirmana, this improperly formed rasa is going to cause the obstruction. That is Shrota Avrodha. Obviously, Hridaya Shrota or Rasavaha Shrotas, which Mula is Hridaya. So there is Shrota Avrodha. Due to Shrota Avrodha, there is Dhamani Pratichaya. So Shrota of those, obviously Dhamanis which are attached moving from the heart are again obstructed. This obstruction of Dhamanis is going to produce Urashula, resulting in Hridroga. Fine. Two things are taking place. Vata predominated Tridosha vitiation and Agnimandyata. Vata predominant Tridoshas are vitiating throughout the body. Also, those Tridoshas which are present, whose seat is Hridaya, they are individually vitiated. Along with that, hello? Sir, 5 minutes बचा रही हूँ खत्म करके wind up कर ठीक है sir okay so where I was, okay, so there is, I'll repeat, Nidana Sevana, Tridosha vitiation and Agnimandyata. Tridosha vitiation in the Hridaya and Agnimandyata will result in Sama Rasadhatu production. This Sama Rasadhatu production is going to cause obstruction, Shrota Avrodha, obviously where Rasavaha Shrotas, and further resulting in Dhamani Pratichaya, that is obstruction of the Dhamanis, or all those are vessels which are originating from heart, and resulting in Urashula, producing Hridroga. This can be normally correlated with the modern one, as I told you, Agnimandya and Samarasa Dhatu Nirmana. So Samarasa Dhatu here can be considered with your blood with excess amount of lipids or fat or hyperlipidemic blood or plasma or blood rich with lipids, excess of lipids. This excessive lipid Samarasa is going to cause obstruction. Obstruction here can be considered with atherosclerosis. Now atherosclerosis obviously is going to happen in the arteries. So Dhamini Pratichaya, there is obstruction in the arteries. Obstruction in the arteries, obviously the blood supply is not there, so there is pain. Pain is what is nothing but Hridroga, cardiac chest pain. So which we can correlate with Hridroga. This is how you can correlate. But if you're not able to understand, leave the modern aspect. Just focus on the Ayurvedic one. Nidan Sevana, Tridosha vitiation, Agnimandyata. Agnimandyata, Samarasa Dhatu Nirmana, Shrota Avrodha, Dhamani Pratichaya, and Udarashula. Yesterday already sir has told you regarding this Samprapti. This is the Samprapti. After that, Vataja Hridroga we have studied, Nidana and symptoms. Pittaja Hridroga, Nidana and symptoms. Kaphaja Hridroga, Nidana and symptoms, and Kramija Hridroga, Nidana and symptoms. Vataja Hridroga Nidana is Shoka, Upavasa, Vyayama, Shushka, Rushka and Alpa Bhojana. Symptoms are Amyate, Tadyate, Nirmathyate, Dhiryate, Spotyate, Patyate. So what is main symptom in Vataja Hridroga? Always remember the pain. Pain is very intense and very severe. In case of Pittaja Hridroga, the Nidana is Ushna Amla Lavana Kshara Katu Ahara Sevana, Ajirna Avastha, Krodha and excessive Atapa Sevana. So this is the Nidana, and symptoms are Krishna, Daha, Chosha, Hridaya Klamaha, Dhumayan, Murcha, Shveda, Shoshu, Mukhasya. And Charaka has added two more things, that is bitter taste in the mouth. There is bitter taste in the mouth, Tiktasyata and Tikta Namlodgara. Fine. In case of Kafaji Vidroga, Nidana is Guru Snigdha, Achintana, Acheshtha, and Atinidra. These are the Nidana. Symptoms are Gauravam, Kafashrava, Aruchi, Stambha, Agnimandyan, Mukhamadhurya. Two main symptoms which are here are Timitata and Gauravam. So there is feeling of heaviness over the chest region and feeling of wet cloth covering your chest region. And another one is Mukhamadhuryatha. There is sweet taste in your mouth. In case of Pittaja, Tiktasyata, there is bitter taste in the mouth. So this is how you can differentiate. Tridoshaja, obviously all the Tridoshas. Krimija Hridroga, Nidana is intake of Ajirna, Apavitra, Puti, Tilaguda, Kshira, Sevana are the Nidana. And symptoms are Utklesha, Shivana, Toda, Shula, Ullasa, Tama, Aruchi, Shava, Netratva, and Shosha. These are the symptoms of Krimija Hridroga. Krimija Hridroga Samprapti is clear. I'll repeat again. Tridosha Hridroga, a person involved. Along with that, if a person indulges in Nidan Sevana, then there is Granthi formation in the Hriday. From this Granthi formation, there is secretion of Rasadhatu or Rasa secretion, which is Kledayuk. Due to the Kledata in the Granthi, there is Utpatti of the Krimi, and this Krimi Utpatti will lead to Krimija Hridroga. Fine, this is the Samprapti of Krimija Hridroga, and Lakshanas I've already told you. So here topic finishes. Types of Hridroga was the today's topic. So I guess that has been clear, that has been explained. This PPT will be uploaded soon. If anyone has any kind of doubt, please unmute yourself and ask the doubts. Anyone? You have understood the topic? I'm not able to see who is online. Okay, roll number 19. Can unmute yourself. Roll number 8.
Yes, ma'am.
No doubts?
No doubts, ma'am.
Anyone, any doubt?
Ma'am.
Roll number 18. You're not
Ma'am,
audible.
in
Unmute
Arishta
yourself and
Lakshana.
speak.
Ma'am, one doubt, ma'am.
Talking, but
Hello.
okay, anyways, I hope you have no doubts. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me. I'm asking
Excuse
for the
me, ma'am.
last time. Roll number 75. No doubts?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
58 has arrived now. Class khatam ho gayi, beta. Anyways, okay, this is here we end today's class. Thank you so much. Actually, I'm having a meeting. I have to go for a meeting. So I'm winding up quite early today. So I started 10 minutes earlier today's topic. Anyway, thank you so much.
ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಇತ್ತೆ ಹಾ ನಾನಾ